I did a video on this a little while ago, and it's this is the first time this nice little 90's been outside, but I ain't got no room in my shop. But as I was walking past, I thought I'd make a quick observation and a little bit of an update on something. Why Land Rovers leak again. See how it's dripping out of the guttering? Going straight down there, because I haven't finished this bit yet. Straight along there, and straight down there. This seal is completely irrelevant. It's just channeling everything, look. This side's not too bad because there's a bit of a lean on the car, but you can see it's all pouring down here. Got nowhere to go. So what I'm going to do is, once it's dried out, I'm going to put a little bit of dum-dum in these corners, and hopefully that will sort it out. So what happens consequently, as we saw in the video, that water goes inside the door and it can't get out of the drain holes, and it leaks inside the car, and you wonder where it's coming from. Anyway, it's a good little test to see if we've got any water ingress. Let's see where else it's leaking. Well, not leaking. You can see here, look at the water coming down the screen, and you can see now it's trying to get through this hole here, but it isn't. It's coming either side of this bracket. That's what makes them rust. See, it's kind of easy, isn't it, when you look at it in the rain? But it's not getting down here. I didn't cut this seal down. There is a reason for that, because I don't want that to go around that corner. So there you go. All the vents are sealed up quite nice, but such a bad idea. I don't know what they were thinking of. Anyway, I'm going in, it's pouring down.